you so much for coming to my channel today. In today's video, I wanted to do a really simple, natural kind of makeup look that's work appropriate, that's something you can do in 15 minutes in the morning when you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to be put together. As much as I love glam looks with bright, bold colors and thick eyeliner and a bold lip, for most people, that's not a realistic makeup look. Most people really just want something natural and light that they can do really quickly in the morning. So this is what I came up with. I've actually been doing this look quite often, pretty recently, and I just been able to perfect it and kind of get it down to about 15 minutes. Only using a few products, not as much as I normally use. So if you want to see how I ended up getting this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Rose Multi-Use Oil. I did a whole review on the Rebel Rose collection, which includes this oil and the primer serum I'm also using in this video. I'm going to link it above, so if you want to see my thoughts on this oil and the primer, just go watch that video. But I'm going to massage that oil into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Rose Primer Serum, and I'm going to use this to prime my skin for the makeup that we're about to apply. So I'm going to drip it on, and then I'm going to massage it in. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Black. And I'm going to first comb through my brows, and then I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas that I have. I'm not going to go in and do a dramatic brow like I normally do. I'm just filling any gaps in. I'm not even going to carve my brows out. This is going to be a very super wearable, natural, quick look. So this is what you see me doing here, filling in any gaps I might have. Nothing too extreme. Now I'm going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in 2 shades. The first shade is number 16, and I'm using this to conceal any blemishes or dark marks that I might have on my skin that I want to cover, but I don't feel like the foundation is going to cover up well on its own. So I'm just doing like the scar on my forehead, around my mouth, my chin, and my temples. I have a little bit of darkness around there. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm blending that in with a Morphe M173 brush. I've actually been really loving this brush lately to blend in concealer. So that's what you see me doing here. I've been using it in my kit as well on clients, and it just works fabulously. So that's what you see me doing. Now I'm going in with the color 15.9, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes and like on my forehead, my nose, anywhere where I want to bring a little lightness. And I'm also going to put this on my lids just so any discoloration I might have on my lids can kind of blend into my skin. And I'm going in with that same Morphe M173 brush, and I'm going to blend that all out. I know I'm looking a little cray-cray right now, but trust me, it's going to come together in the end. So just blend that out. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to set that concealer that's underneath my eyes, on my nose, my forehead. Just want to set it just so it doesn't move throughout the day. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Pressed Foundation Powder in the color 44.5. And I'm picking this up on a fluffy brush from the Morphe Gold collection that you can get at Ulta. And I'm actually going to spritz it with setting spray. This is a great technique if you want a really nice natural finish from your Studio Fix press powder. I'm someone who has dry skin, so powders tend to cling to my dry patches, but with this, it kind of goes on a little bit more liquidy, and then it dries to a powder finish, and it also doesn't make me look cakey, and the coverage, it's about a medium coverage, so it's very natural. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Cappuccino. And I'm just going to bronze up my skin, bring some color back to it, make it look like I spent a little time in the sun. Very lightly. I'm not going to go crazy with the bronzer. Like I said, we're trying to keep this real natural. And now with a Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to take that bronzer and I'm just going to throw it into the crease of my eyes very lightly, just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension so they're not so flat. Very naturally, just going to put that in there. So now I'm going to go in my Milani Stay Put black eyeliner, and I'm going to I'm going to line my waterline, just kind of bringing some more dimension to my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my City Color Be Matte blush in the color Guava. And I'm going to put blush on my cheeks, actually on the tip of my nose. I've actually been loving doing this lately when I'm trying to do a natural look, and on my chin. Now I'm going in with the Nars Climax Mascara, and I've actually been liking it. I've been using it for the past like week or so, and I'm going to do maybe like 2 coats on each eye. Now I'm going in with the Juvias Place loose highlighter in the color Nefertiti, and I'm going to use this to highlight like my cheekbones, and like the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow, anywhere where I want to bring some light to. So that's what you see me doing here, doing the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and do not forget your inner corner. That's actually a great technique to open up your eyes, make you look more awake. Now I'm going in with the MAC lip liner in the color Whirl, and I'm going to line my lips just to kind of define my lips a little bit more, kind of give it a little bit more of a pop, and kind of prep it for the lip gloss that I'm about to put on. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is the original one, and I love this. It's just the most beautiful gloss ever, and it just makes your lips pop. And after that, I'm going to go back in with my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Spray, and I'm going to set my face. And that is it. And this is the final look, guys. So if you have 15 minutes in the morning to get ready, or if you have 15 minutes before you have to go out and meet your friends or your boo or whatever, you can do this look. Now, as far as the foundation I use, which is the MAC Studio Fix Press Foundation Powder, I am in the color NC 44.5. I really love this powder. I am someone, as you guys know, because I talk about it quite a bit, I have extremely dry skin due to my thyroid disease. I did like a whole video on it. I'll probably link it up there. And yeah, I am someone who has extremely dry skin, and powder foundation has never really been my friend. It always clings to my dry patches and makes me look like I'm thirsty or dehydrated. So I tend to steer away from powder foundations, but I knew that I wanted to cut down on my makeup routine some days, and eliminating liquid foundation was the only way I can think to do that. So I have been on the hunt for a really good powder foundation. And then when I came across this one, I couldn't believe how lightweight and nice it looked on my skin. I definitely think the technique that I use helps, which is picking up the powder on the brush, spritzing the brush, and then putting it on my skin. It kind of goes on like it's a liquid, but it dries to a powder finish. So if you're someone who has dry skin like me, pick up this powder and try using the technique that I use to apply it. I definitely think you will like the results. So with that being said, thank you so much for coming to my channel today, clicking on my video, and watching my 15-minute easy simple makeup routine. If you liked the video, hit that button down there, show me some love, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.